Hello and welcome. Today we'll be cooking a popular Thai dish called stir-fried chicken basil. For today's recipe, we'll be using 2 whole chicken breasts that are boneless and skinless. These were purchased from a local Sam's Club, and the 2 chicken breasts weigh about 1.7 pounds, which is more than enough for 2 to 3 people. For the chicken, all you need to do is mince the chicken up into really small pieces so it cooks faster and absorbs more flavor. The rest of the ingredients were purchased from the local Ranch 99 market. For this recipe, I only used 4 Thai chilies, which turned out to be pretty mild, so you can probably use 5 or 6. So for the Thai chilies, all you need to do is just cut them up really small. Nothing special. For the shallots, all you need to do is just cut off the ends, peel that first layer, and cut them up really fine. Same thing with the garlic. I like garlic, so I used 1 whole bulb, and the final flavor didn't seem too overpowering. Now on to the sauce. All you need to do is use 2.5 teaspoons of sugar, then 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. That's the brand I used. And then finally, 2.5 tablespoons of a low sodium soy sauce. And once you have that, go ahead and mix it all together and set that aside. Once you have everything prepared, go ahead and head over to the wok and get ready to cook. You want to turn the wok up to high heat. 3.5 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and go ahead and throw in the shallots, garlic, and the chilies. Be sure to move it often because the garlic can burn easily. Once you see the garlic turning golden brown, go ahead and throw the chicken in and mix it all together. Then continue to cook the chicken until it turns a nice brown. Go ahead and flatten it so it cooks more evenly, and be sure to stir occasionally. Once the chicken is ready, go ahead and throw in that sauce and continue mixing. Give it a couple of good tosses. Then you can throw in your chicken broth, about 1/3 of a cup. So after about a minute or 2, you can go ahead and throw in the basil, and this won't take long, probably another minute or 2. Then you are all done. Once you're done, you can go ahead and serve it with some steamed white rice. A great option would also be to serve it with a fried egg sitting on top. And that's it. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for the next one.